How to fix the Bosch oven error code E030 is a comprehensive guide that explains the topic step by step. The error code E030 on a Bosch oven typically indicates a problem with the oven's cooling system or its ability to cool down properly after use. This can be caused by a faulty cooling fan, a blocked ventilation system, or a malfunctioning temperature sensor. To fix this issue, first ensure that the oven is turned off and allowed to cool down completely. Check the ventilation system for any blockages, such as food debris or dust, and clean it thoroughly. Verify that the cooling fan is working correctly and replace it if necessary. Next, inspect the temperature sensor for any signs of damage or wear and tear. If the sensor is faulty, it may need to be replaced. Additionally, check the oven's electrical connections to ensure they are secure and not damaged. In some cases, the error code E030 may be caused by a software issue, which can be resolved by resetting the oven's control panel. To do this, unplug the oven from the power source. Press and hold the reset button, and then plug it back in. It is essential to note that if the issue persists after trying these solutions, it is recommended to contact a professional appliance repair technician for further assistance. They can diagnose the problem and provide the necessary repairs to get the oven working correctly. Again, regular maintenance can help prevent error codes like E030 from occurring in the future. This includes cleaning the oven and its components regularly, checking the ventilation system for blockages, and ensuring that the cooling fan is working correctly. By following these steps and best practices, you can resolve the Bosch oven error code E030 and ensure your oven is working efficiently and safely.